If you're a homeowner in Clearwater, you're likely always looking for ways to enhance your property's value. One of the best investments you can make is upgrading to replacement windows. Not only do they improve curb appeal, but they also offer energy efficiency, enhanced security, and increased resale value. Here's how replacing your windows can add value to your Clearwater home. Boosting curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior plays a huge role in its perceived value. Old, worn-out windows can make a house look outdated, while new, modern replacement windows instantly refresh its appearance. With a variety of styles, colors, and frame materials available, you can customize your windows to complement your home's architecture and enhance its aesthetic appeal. Potential buyers often make judgments about a home before stepping inside, so having updated windows can make your property stand out in the Clearwater real estate market. Well-maintained, energy-efficient windows signal that the home has been well cared for, making it more attractive to prospective buyers. Enhancing energy efficiency. Clearwater's warm climate means homeowners rely heavily on air conditioning to maintain indoor comfort. However, outdated or poorly insulated windows can lead to significant energy loss, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation features, including double or triple panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas fills that help regulate indoor temperatures more effectively. Energy-efficient windows reduce cooling costs by keeping your home cooler in the summer and preventing heat loss in the winter. Not only does this make your home more comfortable year-round, but it also lowers energy bills, an attractive feature for both current homeowners and future buyers. Increasing security and safety. Older windows often come with weaker frames and outdated locking mechanisms, making them a potential security risk. New replacement windows are built with advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass options, providing better protection against break-ins and severe weather conditions. For Clearwater homeowners, where hurricanes and storms are common, impact-resistant windows are a particularly valuable upgrade. These windows are designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris, ensuring better safety for your home and family. Buyers looking for a secure home will find these features highly desirable, increasing the marketability of your property. Reducing noise pollution. If your home is near a busy street, airport, or other noisy environment, replacing your windows can significantly reduce outside noise. Modern replacement windows with insulated glass and soundproofing technology create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. This added comfort can be a major selling point for potential buyers, especially those looking for a serene living space in Clearwater. Increasing resale value. When it comes to return on investment, ROI, replacement windows rank high among home improvement projects. According to industry studies, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their investment in new windows when selling their home. Buyers are often willing to pay more for a home with energy-efficient, durable windows because they know they won't have to replace them anytime soon. In Clearwater, where energy efficiency and hurricane resistance are key concerns, upgraded windows can give sellers a competitive edge. Homes with modern windows often sell faster and at a higher price than those with outdated, inefficient ones. Making the right investment. Choosing the right replacement windows is essential to maximizing their value. Consider factors such as frame material, vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, energy efficiency ratings, and hurricane-resistant features to ensure you're making a worthwhile investment. Partnering with a reputable window replacement company in Clearwater will also ensure proper installation, which is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Conclusion. Investing in replacement windows is one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your Clearwater home. They enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, increase security, and reduce noise, all of which contribute to a higher property value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and efficient home, replacing your windows is a worthwhile investment. If you're ready to upgrade your windows and boost your home's value, reach out to a trusted window replacement expert in Clearwater today.